Hi, my name is Dan Quigley. I'm with Dynamic Systems. We're a small company located in upstate New York in Post-and-Kill. We make a machine that's called a Gleeble. It's a thermomechanical physical simulation system. Researchers will use the Gleeble to improve the quality of materials, mostly metals generally. So it's steel or aluminum. They'll be using the Gleeble to simulate what happens to that material in the real world, either during production or in end use. So manufacturers that are making anything out of metal that is really important and can't fail, they'll want to test that material on a Gleeble to make sure the material performs as it should, and also to improve their processes, ultimately to improve the product quality and as well as their manufacturing process. All Gleebles are produced right here in Post-and-Kill, New York. Again, small company, about 50 employees, and our specialty is really machining a lot of the important parts that go into a Gleeble. So we really need to have very precise tools, precise machining, and we do all that right here at DSI in Post-and-Kill.
My name is Jonathan Underwood. I am a mechanical engineer here at DSI. We got this Doosan in so that we can have a higher volume production. We're hoping to bring in jobs that are currently outside, but we can do them here locally. We'll have more control over the process and the products, and maybe saving some costs in manufacturing. If we're doing the work here, we can have the direct feedback from our machinists on maybe easier ways to make the parts, or cheaper or faster ways. So I've actually worked with Syracuse Supply twice now. Syracuse Supply was great. They were very patient with us with the weather. It was a horrible, nasty, rainy day, so when it arrived, we had to get it unloaded and then hold and wait, and everybody had to go home and come back the next day. We rigged it in. Syracuse was here the entire time, helping the riggers, working with us, helping with placement. Initial machine setup, Peter came. He was great. I kind of bombarded him with a lot of questions related to this machine end. I cheated a little bit and had some questions about our other machines, and it was great and really helpful. And we look forward to doing business with Syracuse Supply in the future.